Hi, I am Mike Jackson and I manage the UK business of Omnitec Systems. Thank you for joining me for another product presentation. I thought that it was an appropriate time to talk about the subject I'll talk about today. I've previously done a presentation regarding this lock, which is the EVO2 hotel door lock. As you can see, it is a very minimalist door lock. We've designed it so the electronics are installed with the mortise lock in the edge of the door, and that allows you to be able to use your own choice of door handles on the door and achieve some pretty cool aesthetics, which will complement the style of the design that you're trying to achieve in your hotel. The EVO lock is operable using a card. And it is also operable using a mobile phone app, either as a guest or as the management. And we can also use it in conjunction with our gateways, which connect to the Wi-Fi of the building, to enable this lock to be controlled real time back to a computer, so you can see audit information from the lock and you can manage the lock's permissions. We also have on here a mechanical key override, so regardless of whether the door is in the locked position or not, we can always use the key to unlock the door and get into a room. This is particularly useful should the batteries run down, and it enables you to get the door open and change the batteries. The reason I wanted to talk about this lock today, and it's in particular to do with the fact that you can use your own lever handles on it. We are in a particular time at the moment where we're very worried about the spread of germs, viruses in particular. And so the lever handle that I've got fitted to this today, and also the escutcheon cover that covers the key, both have an antibacterial coating applied to them. The great thing about these products, and they're used extensively in healthcare, is that when you touch the lever handle, the coating that's on it reacts with ultraviolet radiation. I am no scientist, but I know that ultraviolet exists in natural light and also in artificial light, and it begins to break down any virus that is left on the lever handle. Now, if you think about how a virus spreads, we cough, we sneeze into our hands, we cough into our hands, puts the virus here, we touch the lever handle, that puts the virus there. The next person who comes along touches that lever handle, picks up the virus, and potentially ends up with that virus being absorbed into their body. So the ultraviolet antibacterial coatings will start to really break down the virus the moment that it touches the lever handle. And there's quite a lot of scientific data and test data with these lever handles to tell you exactly which viruses it's been tested with and exactly how long it will take to break the virus down should it come into contact with the lever handle. That is basically it. A very short movie today, just to talk about the potential of using an antibacterial product in conjunction with our hotel door lock. I'm sure as a hotel owner or as a property owner, you want the cleanest possible environment for people, the most hygienic environment for people. You love having clean bathrooms, you love having clean bedrooms, you love the fact that the cushions, blankets, pillows are all changed daily. So using the same thought process, we can offer hygiene through the actual door furniture that people interact with in the room. And you think about it, a lot of people day to day are touching these doors, so the potential of spreading viruses that can survive on door handles is quite high. This type of door handle will reduce that risk to almost zero. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope to catch up with you again soon for another product demonstration.